Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download apps on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Ever gone searching for a new Mac app and felt lost along the way? As someone who works with dozens of Mac apps daily, I understand the struggle. In this video, I will show you how to install apps on MacBook quickly and safely. So it's very simple. So first of all, if you want to install an app from MacBook, you can just open the App Store on your MacBook. You can search for App Store on your Launchpad. Here you go. You can just click on it. And you can just search for the apps that you want to download or install. You can check, there's like Discover in here, the Discover apps that you can choose in here. You can choose on the apps that you want to download. Maybe for the example, you want to install this one, Microsoft Word. You can just click on Get. Open the app, click on Get. And now we can just click on Install. So I think this app doesn't require this macOS. So let's search for another apps. For the example, you want to download this CapCut video editor. Let's try. Can we download this? You can just click on download in here. Now it's downloading. Now we can just wait until it finishes and you can use the apps on your MacBook. And if you want to install apps but you can't find the apps from your App Store on MacBook, maybe like Spotify or any other apps, you can just download it from here, from browser. You can search. I will show you with my another video, so you can just check on my video if you want to know how to download apps application without App Store that App Store doesn't have. So that is. So here we can just wait until it finishes downloading and install, and you can use the app on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to download apps on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.